Ganyan ba nakita mo? No, you're not bothering me. It's okay. Kader, it's okay. It's okay lang, Victor. Okay, Kader. And thank you. Nawa na. Parang nintukar na akong duka. Nintukar ng duka. Apit na ako mag-end sa akong live. Malapit na ako mag-end ng aking live. Tulog ng apo ko. It's okay, Victor. It's okay. No problem. No problem. No problemo.